Everyday businesses lose customers at the front desk. Staff are busy or overworked. Questions go unanswered. Walk-ins leave, and nobody even wrote their number down. Meet the Schogini AI Buddy, a managed agentic AI front desk solution. A real desktop robot that greets every customer, answers questions about your business, and never takes a day off. It speaks English and Indian languages and detects which language the customer used automatically. Malayalam, Hindi, Tamil, English, and more. It books appointments, booking is spoken, confirmed on screen, logged to your Google Sheet and followed up on WhatsApp, nothing forgotten. Every lead captured automatically. Customers can also give feedback and complaints directly to Buddy. What they may never say at the counter lands straight in your dashboard. And you stay in control. You update the prices, offers, services, and FAQs from your laptop or phone. In 1 minute, your Buddy starts answering with the latest information. No engineer, no reboot. Buddy is built for India in India. The body is 3D designed and printed in our Maker Lab, Trivandrum. The PCB, the firmware, voiceover, full multi-user backend, all are developed in-house. For speech, Buddy can use India's own Sarvam AI for native Indian voices, along with 11 Labs, OpenAI, and Gemini. You choose what works best for each Buddy. Software and firmware updates are done remotely and securely. Signed updates, encrypted connections, authenticated tokens, Wi-Fi fallback. So Buddy stays online and stays useful. Because we built every layer, we can build custom tools and automations around your business, not just sell you a box. Getting one is simple. One, contact us today. We will understand your business and show you a live demo on Zoom or in person in Trivandrum. Two, confirm and your Q&A Buddy ships are installed in about 2 weeks. Three, we build around you, your integrations, your booking flows, your custom tools. See AI Buddy live. WhatsApp us for a demo today. Schogini systems for AI, robotics, and automation. Built in Trivandrum.